How to fix Valorant not updating. If Valorant is not updating or stuck at 0.1 KBs, then follow these steps to fix this issue. So let's get started. The first solution is close all the Discord devices services from the background. Valorant's download speed may reduce to a crawl if Discord or any of its related services is running in the background. So close Discord from the background and check if it fixes the issue. Open Task Manager using the Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC hotkey. Then right click on Discord and choose End Task from the context menu. Along with Discord, you can also consider closing all other network consuming applications like Chrome and Spotify from the background. Next, launch the Riot client, start the downloading process and check if the problem continues. Now, switch to Google's DNS server. The Riot client will struggle to initiate the downloading process if your current DNS server is unstable. You can try switching to a different DNS server to eliminate the problem. Open Settings using Windows plus I hotkeys. Choose Network and Internet from the left panel. Click on Wi-Fi, then tap on the Hardware Properties. Then click on Edit next to DNS Server Assignment. And click on the drop-down icon under Edit DNS Settings. And as per your DNS provider, choose IPv4 or IPv6. And if you choose IPv4, enter 8.8.8.8. And if you choose IPv6, then enter 2001.4860.4860.8888. Now all you have to do is click on Save and check if you are still facing the problem. Lastly, flush the DNS cache. The DNS cache stores data of all your computer's DNS queries for future use. However, if the DNS cache gets corrupt for some reason, it can cause connection issues. Open the command prompt, then type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. Wait until you see the message successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. After that, reboot the system and check for the problem. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.